Hey Finders, I am paranormal_Shaurya. Today we are decoding a new topic, or you can say it as a conspiracy theory. Now without any delay, let's start this topic. Life after death decoded. What is a soul? Is it true that souls are immortal? What happens after death and how does it feel? Is it connected to the Big Bang Theory? Is it related to something? Now we must know the basics of this theory. What is a soul? Well, a soul is a basic fundamental of any being according to mythology, but science doesn't prove any existence of soul. The term soul generally refers to the non-physical essence of a living being, encompassing aspects like mind, character, thoughts, and feelings. It is often believed to be immortal and distinct from the physical body. Many religions and philosophies explore the nature and potential survival of the soul after death. The soul is often considered the spiritual or immaterial part of a person, the seat of consciousness and emotions. This was all about basics of soul. Now, if we look at this concept more specifically, we will notice that after death, the soul leaves the body and comes back again on earth as a being. So the soul of our body must be coming from ancient times of era when earth was formed. So is this soul immortal? Let's explore this profound question that has captivated humanity for millennia. Is it true that souls are immortal? Like the beliefs of Freemasonry that souls are immortal and continue to exist after the body dies. The question of the soul's immortality is a subject of ongoing debate across various philosophical and religious traditions. Some believe the soul is immortal and continues to exist after the body dies, while others hold different views. Plato considered the soul as distinct from the body, a divine element that is immortal and indestructible. Socrates believed the soul is immortal and will continue to exist after death. Hinduism teaches the immortality of the soul, Atman, which is believed to be eternal and unchanging, transcending the physical body. The soul's journey involves reincarnation, where it sheds one body and takes on another. Buddhism, while not explicitly stating the soul's immortality in the same way as some other traditions, Buddhism emphasizes the concept of rebirth and the continuity of consciousness. Christianity. Many Christian denominations believe in the immortality of the soul, with the soul either going to heaven, hell, or purgatory after death. Others, known as mortalists, believe the soul ceases to exist upon death, and immortality is attained through resurrection. Judaism. Some Jewish traditions believe in the immortality of the soul, with the soul returning to God after death. Others hold that the soul's existence is sustained by God. Some philosophies and religions emphasize the soul's merging with a larger cosmic consciousness or source upon death, rather than individual immortality. Some argue that the soul is not a separate entity, but rather a part of the body, and therefore, it does not exist independently of the body. The concept of the soul's immortality is a complex one, with diverse interpretations across different belief systems. While some believe the soul is eternal and continues to exist after death, others hold different views about its nature and destiny. Now to the main topic of our investigation. We must examine the evidence, real cases that challenge our understanding of life and death. What happens after death, and how does it feel? To prove it, I'm taking two real cases that explain this topic. One is of reincarnation, and other is of a disorder and syndrome. Now let's start decoding these two cases. Case 1. Reincarnation. This case involves two women named Sumitra Singh and Shiva Tripathi. So Shiva Tripathi reincarnated in Sumitra Singh after her death. Shiva Tripathi claims that after death she felt like she left her body and got into nothingness and blankness. There was no light and no time, just a voice of goddess Santoshi Mata. Case 2. Disorder and syndrome. Brianna Lafferty, a 33-year-old woman from Colorado, USA, experienced a near-death experience after being clinically dead for 8 minutes due to a neurological disorder called myoclonus dystonia and a syndrome called Lazarus syndrome. During this time, she reported feeling detached from her body, experiencing a sense of peace and clarity, and hearing a voice asking if she was ready. She described floating above her body and entering a timeless realm, leading her to conclude that death is just an illusion, and that consciousness continues beyond physical death. Now, can we relate it with something? Because both cases have one common thing. That is the blank state and the nothingness. And only one place is there in universe where there is no time and blank state. This discovery leads us to a startling connection with the very origins of our universe itself. Could the state experienced in death be related to the primordial condition before creation began? Is it related to something? If you have studied about the Big Bang Theory, you must know that the universe has expanded from a small dot to one side. But what about the other side? The other side has no time, no light, and just nothingness. This is the same state described by both Shiva Tripathi and Brianna Lafferty, a realm beyond time and physical reality. Could this nothingness be the primordial state from which all existence emerges? Perhaps consciousness doesn't end at death, but returns to this fundamental state of pure being. In this view, death is not an ending, but a return to the source, the same infinite potential that existed before the universe began. Modern quantum physics suggests that even empty space is full of potential energy and virtual particles. Could our consciousness be part of an eternal cycle, like the universe itself, expanding into existence and contracting back to the source? These cases and connections don't provide definitive answers, but they open doorways to profound questions. They suggest that the boundary between life and death, between existence and void, may not be as clear as we think. The mystery of consciousness and its relationship to the cosmos remains one of the greatest puzzles of our time. Well, that's it for today. I'll meet you soon. Till then, peace out. @paranormal_Shaurya